on Niki Live and you need to register for account, these are the steps that you need to know or you need to follow. So make sure you watch the video until the end for you to understand all the steps. So if you're watching me on my channel, that is YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to get the link to my YouTube channel. So if you go to my channel, if you're watching me on YouTube, so this is my channel, Life with Cynthia. So if you tap on the videos, you'll see my latest video, that is how to make money on. Okay, the latest is this one. You just tap on it, then you'll get the link on the comment section pinned. So I've pinned the link here. This is the link right here. So if you tap on the link, it will direct you to where you're supposed to download Niki Live app. In case you don't have Niki Live app, it will direct you to Play Store or Apple Store or any other store according to the, maybe it will depend with the device you are using. So you can go ahead and download it on Play Store or Apple Store or in App Picks. So for me, I have the app already. So that is when you are new on this or you don't have an app, this is the first time you are registering for an account on Niki Live app. So after downloading the Niki Live app, you need to log into your account. So when you log into your account, the first page you'll see is live page, where people are live doing different tasks or doing performing different things on their lives. So you can as well go live on if you want to. So that's the first page that you will see. Then we have post, where you can post pictures, videos. We have clubs. You have different clubs. You can form your own club or join any other club. Then again, you also have chats. You can chat with your friend, and this is where you'll be getting notification from the system or customer care. So again, you also have me. So you go, if you go if you tap on me, you'll be able to see all your details. That is after registering for an account and downloading the app, then you'll be able to access all these pages in your app. So after that, you'll go to your profile right here. So if you tap on here, right here, if you tap on this arrow, you'll be able to put your own picture like mine here, the name that you want to use. You'll be able to see your ID right here. So if you tap on this arrow, it will direct you to your profile, where you can as well edit your profile to put what you want people to see. And so on your profile, you'll be able to see all these things you're seeing on my profile. So that is all you need to know while creating account on Niki Live app. And how to go live, that is a video for another day. So okay, I can just show you how to do it for now, then I'll go into details in the next video. So how to go live, you just have to tap on this live icon, this blue icon. If you tap on it, you'll be able to choose the number of seats that you want. So we have different number of seats right here. You can see this one, and this one. So you go with that one that you want. So that is all, guys, you need to know for now. So make sure you subscribe if you're watching me on my YouTube channel. And again, if you're watching me on TikTok, or you can follow me for more videos. For now, thank you for watching. See you later.